Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in the previous videos we have learned what a circle linked list is actually. So in this today's lecture we are going to create we are going to create the circle linked list using C language. So don't worry if you are completely a beginner, I will explain everything step by step in an easy way. So without any delay, let's begin our today's lecture. So first we want to see revise our previous video. So the main difference between circle linked list and single linked list is in single linked list, suppose we have three nodes. So the three nodes are 10, 20, and 30. So these are three nodes actually. So in single linked list, these three nodes will be like, let me write 10. So let me change this, I mean, let me change this color. So in single linked list, it's gonna be 10, 20, 30, and is 30 is the last node. So if the last node connects next will be the null value. So this is single linked list. So when it comes to circle linked list, it will be looks like 10, 20, 30, but we don't have null value. So what instead? So this last node will connect to the first node like this. So in a circle, so let me write here, so this 20 and this 30 like this. So this will connect to this will connect it to this. So like this. So this is a circle linked list. So this is the main difference between the single linked list and the circle linked list. That's it. So now we are going to create a single linked list using C language. So I have all written the C code for you here. So let me explain it line by line. So first we are going to include two header files, that is hashtag include and I mean not hashtag include stdio.h and hashtag include std live. So why these two header files actually? So this stdio.h library uses to access the functions like printf and scanf, and stdlib.h allows use to malloc. That means use to allocate dynamic memory allocations in the program. So on the next line, we have created a struct node. We are creating in data struct node star next. So this is to store node data and the next address of the next element, right? So that's why we are creating a struct node. So up to here is everybody clear, I think. So we are going to into the main function. So here we are going to create three nodes. So the head, second, and third. So the head, second, third. So for these three nodes, we are allocating the dynamic memory allocation. So head equal to star struct node hash, star malloc size of struct node. This is used to allocate dynamic memory allocation. Actually, this function using malloc. So we allocate the same to second and third, and here we are going to give data. So head data equal to 10. So first node head, obviously head is the first node, and the second is 20 and third is 30. So now here we are going to see head next equal to second and second next equal to third, but the third next equal to head. That's it. This line is very important in creating a circle link. Is this last node? This is very important. We need to change this only one line. So highlight it let me highlight. So this line, third next equal to head. So that means last node is points to the first node. That's it. We have created successfully the circle linked list. So now we need to display. So in this example, we are create using do while loop. So first we are going to struct node temp equal to head initially do. So we are going to printf percentile temp data and temp equal to temp of next. So when we see the condition temp is not equal to head, so this will loop executes until this temp is not equal to head becomes false, and finally we are going to return the 0. So now output will be 10, 20, and 30. So this is our output. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.